This method can evaluate the level of tameness in each mouse, and the data will be highly useful for further studies of tameness, such as genetic mapping of genes related to tameness. The main advantage of this technique is that it can evaluate two major components of tameness, active and passive tameness, separately by using this method. Demonstrating the procedure will be Mr. Hiromichi Nagayama, a graduate student, and Ms. Motoko Nihei, a technician from my laboratory.
To begin, turn on the digital camera and start the recording. Then use a pair of large tweezers to gently pick the mouse up by the tail. Transfer the mouse from its home cage to the center of the open field apparatus. After starting the stopwatch, place a hand in the lower left corner of the apparatus. With the palm facing up, wiggle the fingers slowly and steadily. Slowly, move the hand toward the mouse and stop 10 centimeters away from the side of the mouse's body. Maintain this distance if the mouse attempts to move away. If the mouse approaches the hand, keep the hand in the same position and continue to move the fingers slowly and steadily. Remove the mouse with the free hand if it attempts to climb up the arm. After 1 minute, conclude the test. After positioning the mouse in the apparatus, place the left hand in the apparatus. Then, slowly and steadily move the hand toward the mouse and gently touch the mouse with the fingertips. Continue to touch the mouse with the fingertips until it moves away. When the mouse